Hello everyone. This is Dr. Lulu. I want to see if anyone will be here with me. So if you're here, just put a comment. I want to share a remedy. At least if there are 2 or 3 people, I'll start. Right now, I'll just be waiting. If you're here, just put a comment. I want to show you guys a remedy. I see there are 8 people, so I'll start. Those that will join us in the middle, you'll follow through. It will be a short video. So this combo works for chronic infections like sexually transmitted infections, bacterial vaginosis, if you have vaginal discharge that's smelling, you're itching, if you have pelvic inflammation disease, which is infection in the female reproductive system, this combo works for that as well. Hello Munyaradzi, I see you. So on top of chronic infections, this combo also works for weight loss, especially on the tummy area for females. Then it also helps to correct the menstruation for those ladies who don't have correct menstruation. It doesn't come every month, it's scanty or it's prolonged. It helps balancing the hormones. On top of that, it helps to melt fibroids. For those ladies that are battling with fibroids, this combination can finish your fibroids completely, actually. For those that are watching, just say something for me to know that you are following. This combo also helps to improve fertility for those ladies that want to become pregnant. If they were using contraceptives and then they want to flush out those contraceptives from their system and get pregnant again, this combination works. Sandra, I see you. How are you? So I'll go direct to the point. The ingredients of this combo, since I've explained what it works for. For those that are late, you rewatch the video, you see the uses of the combo. So the ingredients, we have ginger here. This is ginger. This is what ginger looks like. But for you to make the combo, you have to peel it and cut it into pieces like that. Then we have garlic here. This is what garlic looks like. Hi Shepo, Dr. Lulu is not a man, I'm female. This is what the garlic looks like. So to make this combo, you have to peel it and make it into pieces like that. Then you also need turmeric. These are turmeric roots. I'm from Zambia. So in Zambia, we do not have fresh turmeric, it's dried. So for me personally, what I decided in this combo, because it's supposed to be fresh turmeric, so for you to be sure that it's effective, because these roots are dry, you're not sure if water will enter inside, maybe to end on top. So I also put turmeric powder. This is my turmeric powder. Then these are cloves. Last time I posted about cloves, people were asking what cloves are. These are your cloves. Yes. So you need 4 ingredients. These are the main ingredients. You can add cucumber, but cucumber doesn't really add to the recipe because garlic smells really bad and we are going to ferment this thing. So you add cucumbers because cucumbers help to reduce the smell of anything. Even those people that have halitosis, smelling in the mouth, you can just be keeping a piece of cucumber in your mouth. Or cloves, you can be chewing cloves, it helps with, okay, that's a topic of another day. So these are my ingredients for this combo. Those that are following, say something. I see we're a lot here. So these are my ingredients for the combo. I said it works for chronic infections like STI, vaginosis, PID, and many more infections. It helps with weight loss, flat tummy, balancing hormones, infertility. It can help to melt fibroids. and also flushing out contraceptives from your body so that you're able to get pregnant again. For those that are battling with infertility, this combo is really nice. You can use it. This combo is for both women and males, so anyone can use it. Even for flat tummy as a male, you can use it. And you know, if you are looking for a flat tummy or weight loss, you also have to adjust your diet to some extent. So I've shown you the ingredients. Now this is how you prepare the combo. You get a handful of ginger. This is a bit too little because I'm not going to use it. I already made mine. It's here. Don't ask me why I'm using it. There's garlic here. This is also a little than you're supposed to use. I just made this for the sake of the video. And you get a handful of everything. So my hand is bigger than some people, but just get a handful like this. So this is the right amount for cloves. This is a handful of cloves. So you get your ingredients, then you get a plastic water bottle. Or even if it's not a water bottle, but any plastic bottle. Don't use glass, don't use any other material. It's supposed to be in a plastic bottle like this one. This is my plastic bottle for water. So you put your ingredients here. So for the turmeric roots, if they are fresh, you are also supposed to peel them and cut them into smaller pieces like this. But since these roots are dry, just try to fit them in here. Then, since you are using roots for turmeric, you also get 2 tablespoons. They should be very full. 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, and add them to your bottle. When you have added all the ingredients, you add water. This is the amount of water that I can add. This is a 1 liter bottle. So when you get a handful of everything, you add it in a 1 liter bottle and put up to 3/4 full in the bottle water. Then you put it in a dark place, because when you put herbals in a dark place, they don't react with light and you're able to extract all the nutrients from there. So you put in a dark place and you shake every day in the morning and every day in the evening. Esther Moso, thank you. God bless you too. Julia, thank you. I see that Botswana is also watching. Yes, so you'll be shaking your bottle with all the ingredients in one bottle every morning and evening for 3 days or 72 hours. After 72 hours, you remove your bottle and remove the water from there. So the combination is thick. So for you to remove your ingredients, you need something with a bigger hose like a sieve. You can't use a filter because some of the things will be remaining inside. So you sieve it out and you remain with the juice that looks like this. Turmeric has a strong color, so the juice will be yellow. It will take the color of turmeric. And the dosage is 1/2 cup. This is my 1/2 cup. This thing it smells bad, but it has a lot of health benefits. So you can just try to pretend you can't smell it and take it. So once it's ready, it will look like this. You can remove all the ingredients and you can store it in the fridge. But the maximum I can give you is up to 5 days. Because you know, when you store it very much, you are not sure if it's not going bad because it will already be smelling. So you won't even tell when it's bad. So maximum 5 days. Thank you, Jetty. Thank you that you find this very educative. So the dosage, 1/2 cup, like this. Don't take more. Okay, so the side effects of this is if you have ulcers, you can't take it because it's a very strong combo. If it can heal chronic infections, then it's very strong. So if you have ulcers, you can't take it. If you have stomach problems, you can't take it. It will worsen your problems. So the contraindications, people that can't use it. Thanks for those love reactions. If you are pregnant, you can't use this remedy because it's going to cause you an abortion. So I'm not teaching people how to make a remedy for abortion. But if you are pregnant, don't use this. It's going to give you an abortion. If you are using it for fertility, the best time to take it is when you are on your periods and up to 5 days after your periods, because you are sure that those are your safe days. You can't use it during your fertile days because maybe you were pregnant at some point and you continue taking the combo. So this same combo, because it can cause an abortion, it will abort you. So it's better you take it during your periods and your safe days, so that you leave the other days, you give yourself a chance to be pregnant. If you test again, you find yourself negative, you make again for another month and continue. So this is the combo, and thank you very much for those who are watching. This is Dr. Lulu. Bye bye, till next time.